Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter. We found more than one account. We will go to figure out the solution. We will click here on settings. Then we come here to this is the window or settings window. We will go down and we will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we will go down to looking for settings Twitter app. Sorry, we will go to looking for Twitter and we will click here on Twitter. Then we come to this is window. We will click here on force stop. Then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we click here on clear cache, and we will click here on clear data, and you just go on to Play Store and update your app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.